Yo, what's good, guys? So look, we are about to play some trades. All right. So I got USD CAD marked up to the T. I'll show you. Came to the H1, saw some zones. The page look a little wonky, but it was all good. Saw some zones that rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. You know, you go in 15, and you catch the zones right here. That's bouncing around in this area. So we caught those zones. So now, I got a good read on what the market is looking to do. All right. And so here, I actually missed my entry on this particular one. I might be able to catch I was gonna try to catch a 1 minute sale, but I do see there's a lot of rejection coming up. So which the 1 minute sale looked like it would have worked. But I see a lot of rejection coming, so I'm just trying to hit these smaller zones where the market potentially reach. All right. And you got two opportunities if you miss the sale. Like I said, you can always catch the sale here, boom, or you can wait till the sale ends and buys back up. Like I said, this is market structure. And so with market structure, you get the market goes up, pulls back, and then goes back up in this direction. All right, for the most part. As you can see, basic market structure will let you know. Hold on, let me open this up so I can kind of I'd be happy to open this other screen recorder so I can use the little pencil icon. So give me a second to do that. Boom. Okay. So this right here. All right. You see this market structure right here? So all it is the market goes up, comes down, does a pullback, goes down, does another pullback. All right. All right. This is a lower high. This one is lower than this high, so that's how you know the market continues to go. Now, when the market changes, this is how you know it changes, because typically you will get another one of these to where this lower high is still lower than this high. But what happened, there was a change of structure. All right. So now we went way past this particular lower high here, and we formed a new high. Boom. And we also passed this one. And now we're pulling back to this place right here. All right. To then look to bounce and go back up, potentially. Now it could, decide it wants to do this and then keep this trend going down. But according to market structure, we should be bouncing and going back up. And so that's what we're looking at. All right, I just had to kind of explain that to y'all so y'all know exactly what I'm looking at. So potentially looking to catch the bounce back up either here or before. Yeah. So one thing I tell y'all is try not to hesitate, because now it could be good and bad. Like I said, sometimes you hesitate and it works out. Sometimes you hesitate and you shouldn't have, and you would have made money. So, what we want to do is just get this thing rolling. You feel me? So I'm about to come back whenever this does what I need to do. Let's get it. Yo, so the zigzag just formed here. So I think we got like maybe a little bit more push left. And then we should be getting a pretty decent bounce between here and here, potentially, or before, to go ahead and head back up. So that's what I'm looking for. So I just want to let y'all know we're getting close. So let's get it. All right, y'all. So right when I pressed it, it dropped. All right, so now we heading on down. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go up 5-minute trade because the market is finally pushing. And I'm end up doing 5 minutes. Let me see where we pushing to. Because see, sometimes you don't want to rush it. If it look like the momentum is still heavy, which it looks like it. All right. I'll be having to put in other little zones. So we touched here before and turned around. So I'm feeling like we could potentially do that again. Still a heavy bearish trend. So I'm gonna enter one here for a test at 5 minutes, and then if it continues down, I'll enter a couple more here for the buy. But I'll be back when this does what it needs to do. Let's get it. Yo, okay, so I'm a minute in this trade. Minute 45 seconds left. We're getting close to this zone that it looks like it's trying to hit. It may be trying to turn around now or getting close to. So I'm gonna double up here. I was trying to see if it's gonna push a little bit more. Yeah, I'm trying to. There it is. Okay. Let me see where we're going. All right, I'm gonna double up here on a 2-minute trade. Normally I would have did another 5 minutes, but the lower we go down and get into these zones, I wanted to go a little lower on my time, because this, I thought it was gonna take a while to turn around, but then at the lower it gets, usually the weaker it starts to get, and then starts to bounce and turn around. So notice I entered directly at this zone. I try to enter at the zones that we get the bounces from. You see we got a bounce here. I try to enter right at the bounces, you know what I'm saying, to make it make more sense. So keep that in mind whenever you're placing your trades. And then also another reason why I decided to go 2 minutes is because sometimes when the market turns around, it might only give me 2 candles and then drop back down. You know what I'm saying? So I figured 5, which it could go up, 5 candles, but just in case. But if I end up getting both of these, that's clutch. So far, so good. If we can get this to push on up, then that'll be perfect. If not, then I'll miss one and hopefully get these other ones. But we'll see. We got 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. Up, 2, 1. Got it. Boom. So I got that one. Perfect. And now, if this one can hold out, then I'll get all 4. And that'll be a good way to start the morning before I hop on this Zoom call, this live trading call. So this is usually what I'm looking like. You know what I mean? Early in the morning. Sometimes I'm trying to get up early before the calls, get my little sessions in. 'Cause you got to have your me time. You know what I'm saying? You in the market. And then I get on with the team and we eat together. You feel me? Man, what a good trading session. You know what I'm saying? So it don't take long to really just get in here and make your bread. 6,300. That's a good trading session. All right. So again, you guys, I try to tell you, make sure when you mark up your chart, you're getting in at the zones or as close to the zones as possible for best outcome. All right. Because if you're not, then you're going to take the risk of the market continuing in a certain direction and you don't know where it's turning around. But you see, I'm trying to get in as close to the zones because I was expecting to bounce, somewhere in here. Didn't do it, came on down to this zone and decided to bounce and go back up. See, now like it's trying to push back down, potentially. Now, if that happens, if I would have been doing a 5-minute trade, it could have got ugly. So you definitely want to keep that in mind whenever you're placing your trades. Look at that. See? Because 5 minutes, it could decide to come on back down here, reach this point right here, or come on down here. So that's why I decided to go down on my time. But yeah, that's how you trade, guys. That's how you do it every day. Like I said, it don't take long in the mornings. You can get it in. And you can do this with any pair. Like I said, lately with the group, I'm trading a lot of regular pairs. And the reason why I'm trading regular pairs on live trading with them is because I don't want the manipulation. You know what I'm saying? Because if, it's 100 people on the Zoom call and 100 people enter on an OTC pair, what do you think is going to happen? You know what I'm saying? At the same time. So I'd rather it be on a regular Forex pair versus, because see, when I call signals, everybody don't take the signal at the same time. Like everybody, some people are at work, some people, but we're on the Zoom call together, then it makes more sense to just trade the regular pair so we don't get that manipulation on everybody's end and mess up everybody's accounts. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I trade, regular Forex pairs with everybody. But hopefully this video explained a lot. I will be making more videos. We get that good push. That's good. I will be, making more videos in the future. So stay posted. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. And Lord willing, I will see y'all in another video. Holla at your boy. Let's get it.